This is Bianca on the top floor. There's 2 bodies beside her. I'm guessing they're guards.
How much more company can we expect?
Depends on how fast we move.
That's comforting.
Oh, and another piece of good news. The whole place is laced with meta dampeners.
So no canary cries.
Perfect. Ready? So wish I got that on my live stories. We have to go now.
Why leave now, huh? The fun is just getting started.
Trevor.
You know my name. I'm flattered. Cool masks. Yeah, very 2020. Actually, I have one of my own.
So this is what you've been spending Daddy's money on.
You know, Bianca never told me that she had such colorful friends.
Oh, I get it. She broke up with you, and now your feelings are hurt.
Aww. Is that why you're doing this?
No, don't flatter yourself. You're a pawn with a fancy family name. That's the only reason you're important.
Yeah, I see why you dumped him.
Enough talking.
Great, so I guess that means you're waving the white flag.
The 3 of you against all of us. I'll take those odds.
So will we.
Tick, boom, man, I really care what my bump is. Right there, run for the two. Televise this dress, it's an alliance, some respect. Sitting, no unrest. Check in, I'm what's next. Incoming text from the beds. No hate here, I'm blessed. My man, no stress. I never let her go home, get she vexed. Too weak to walk with the rest. Abstract, fearless. Must say what's on my chest. They got them travel to the nonsense. Tick, boom, man, I really care what my bump is.
There's too many of them. We have to get out of here.
Stay close.
Right, that's time for me too.
Now what?
We're too high.
How are you still alive?
Just like Tantrum, you're gonna have to do better than that.
Don't come any closer. See, all the greenery in this building is linked to the same system. All state-of-the-art and all very, very explosive.
If he drops that lighter, this whole place is gonna go up.
Trevor, don't do this.
You can't stop what's coming. She won't let you.
And who the hell is she?
We have to jump. I thought you were trying to save me, not kill me. Trust me.